Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, we're going to be talking about your hands, not the flowers. Yes, I have roses. This is close to Valentine's Day, the rose holiday, and your hands are probably hurting. Yes, care and handling using the rose gloves protects them. But we all know you can't design with rose gloves on, so all of a sudden, you still hurt. The best way, once you're done for the day, go home, get ready to put your feet up, but fill a Tupperware container, some sort of Rubbermaid something that is microwavable, with hydrogen peroxide. Yes, like you'd get at the drugstore. Hydrogen peroxide into a microwavable container. Microwave it until it's warm. Depends on the power of your microwaves. It could be 1 minute, it could be 2 minutes. Then when it's warm, take it out and dip your hands. Actually submerge your hands and you'll feel it tingle and it'll start bubbling as it's pulling out the impurities. Hold your hand in there as long as you can bear. It'll tingle so much that it starts to hurt, so take it out. Put your other hand in. Leave it in there till it tingles. Repeat that twice on each hand. Then set this aside, put a lid on it, put it in the refrigerator for another time. Dry your hands off. Put lotion on them. They get dry, they get sore, they crack. So a bit of lotion. And then sit down, have a glass of wine, put your feet up, relax. Know that another day will be here tomorrow. Design, come home, treat your hands. You'll feel so much better. Now you know how the pros do it.